Flowers, chocolate, tender embrace, and great sex. We've all heard these countless times to keep your girlfriend, advised by girls themselves. In this video, I will enumerate and discuss briefly 6 ways that most likely you've never heard of to keep your girlfriend. 1. Map out her menstrual cycle. I know it sounds funny and crazy, but hear me out. In the book The Female Brain, the author talked about predicting and understanding the biology behind women's fluctuating mood. This book will help you in easing or normalizing frustrating situations you may get yourself into with your girl. So how will this help you? The days leading to your girlfriend's menstrual period are the worst days to argue with her because she is acting on biology alone. During these days, it is impossible to control and confront them, whether it's an emotional or logical argument. If you can't avoid discussing the problem, appeal to her emotions if she is showing her emotional side and vice versa. After she's gone through the most uncomfortable time of the month, the week after her period is the time she is most sexually aroused. Now, before you begin systematically scheduling your afternoon delight, there's one thing you should be aware of. It is number 2, never make promises when you are sexually aroused. I know being horny is our default template, but I'm pertaining about the height of a possible sexual intercourse. Do not commit to a promise you know you can't keep during foreplay. There's a reason for this which I know you already know. There's 99% chance the critical thinking part of your brain is shut down during this phase. And because your brain functions are all focused on procreation, it means you are on autopilot. It's your primal desire versus a seductive siren. How can you resist that? 3. Never ever admit who you are jealous with. If you are jealous with someone, approach the discussion generally, with the issue itself not specifically about the potential enemy. Now, there's nothing wrong about being threatened with some other guy, but there's also nothing attractive with screaming insecurity. Why is this important? Remember one time when your girl admitted she's jealous with your friend Sarah. Then later in the evening, you start seeing Sarah in a new light of being a potential lover. 4. Make her pursue you. If there's one recurring tip on alpha male books, it is making your girl's mission to pursue you. You must never let her settle. I know generally, women prefer men who can give them security in the long run. But if you want to retain novelty in the eyes of your beloved, you must remain unpredictable. Don't get me wrong, I don't mean to be unfaithful or treat her inappropriately. By unpredictability, it means showing alternate periods of hot and cold, being sweet and indifferent. 5. Let her do things for you. Chivalry isn't dead, and still there are many men out there who would treat their women like queens, at least outside the sheets. They would pay the bills, attend to their heavy luggage, everything to the point of being their personal butler. But when the time comes they are in need, they wouldn't let their women help them. After all, the queen isn't a servant, and the king which you think you are does not need to be attended to or be taken care of. This is when your girlfriend starts to lose interest. If you do not let her do small things for you, you are not letting her reinforce her belief that she is into you. It's the old Benjamin Franklin effect. The more you do something for someone, the more you become convinced you are interested to please that person. 6. The last one, and maybe the most important of all. Never make sex a reward for your good deed. This is where the man of the house becomes the clown, a downfall for all men aspiring to be alphas. It's been said that natural selection favored men who committed lies to get in bed with women, and in the process women have become trained to detect lies and our weakness, which is sex. If you haven't committed this grave error, never let this be included in the negotiation table. Now, if you have already established this as a compromise or reward, it's time to turn the tables around. If you've learned something interesting, hit subscribe for more similar content. Until next time, thanks for watching.